When I started this project, my main goal was to divide the 17 square meters into 3 living spaces. The first one was the sleeping area, the second one was the living room, and the last one was the dining room.
Not that easy, huh? Nice and smooth.
If you have seen the last video, I've shown all the accessories that I bought from my kitchen, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to assemble the 2 chairs that I bought from IKEA for my dining room.
Look at that!
I'm going to show you how to assemble them, how much they cost, and how they look like, and obviously how comfortable they are. This is my two chairs. They are called Catio, and I bought 2. They are around 50 euros. And let's see how they are. I hope they're comfortable because I don't have more chairs here. And I hope all the furniture has tools because I don't have any. As you can see. They seem very easy to put together. Let's see this first one. I have the back. This is the seat. And let me see the instructions because the first one always harder. Okay, so we start like this. The big one, do this, that's it. This is the seat. That's simple, huh? Yep. Very easy, just like IKEA. Like put this like this in the whatever. That easy, huh? Okay. Yep. Now I got it. We have 2 pieces of wood that go into this metal frame, and they weren't in place. So now I think I got it. It's going. Going. Almost there. Let's do a little more. Yep. That's it. Now in here we have the other 2 legs. Yes. So let's put this together as well. They're very nice. And the chair seems to be just like in the photos. So now, okay, we should put these like this. Put the little one again, like this. Put the bigger one like this. No. Let's do it like in the picture. You should put it like this. let me show you what I'm doing. So now I have to screw this and the chair is complete. Okay. Okay. It's done. Quite nice, right? Let's just put the fabric on. I believe this is light dressing. This is the seat. This is the back.
Yeah. Nice and smooth.
Yep. That's it. Nice color, huh? Matching the sofa. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Very beautiful. I love it. Very, very nice. Very happy with these chairs. I made a mistake. So let's undo this. Because as you can see here, it's not very fit. So we have to pass it through the back and then fix it. Yeah, this little one has to go to the back. So back. Whoop, sorry. So as you can see, it comes from the front. You push it and you fix it here. Yeah? Just like this. And now you do the rest. Yes, now we're ready. And you see the difference here? You see the difference here? A lot better. Yep. Okay. Yeah. Beautiful, huh? Nice, huh? Very good. I hope you enjoyed the process of assembling the two chairs. In the next video I'm going to show you how to assemble the table for the dining room. So please share this video and stay tuned, and until next time.